In this short video, I will show you how to check your Facebook page monetization is enabled or disabled. For that, you need to go your Facebook page and press on icon. That's mean you need to go your Facebook page setting. Go to your setting and privacy. Press on it, and then you see you need to go your setting again. Press on setting, and from here you need to go page setting. Press on page setting, and then scroll down and go to page status, view page restriction, and review community standard and policy. You can check all of them from here. Go to page status, scroll down, and you see monetization. Press on this icon and you can check all of your monetization. My in-stream ad is not available. That's mean main ad is not working for this page. Brand content tagging is enabled. Meta brand collaboration management is also disabled right now. Starts giving award is enabled, and reels overlay ads. That's mean your page is still monetization for your reels overlay, but in-stream ads not available right now. So this is how you can easily check your Facebook page monetization on your mobile device. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.